Guys, I was singing for the Chinese one. I'm really sorry, I have to do this, guys. You know, sometimes when I try to take a camera, they say no, we don't want to be seen in that camera. Yani wazungu ni watu wengine tofauti, guys. So these guys were from China. They are from, I don't know which place of China, but you see them, they are living now. Those people, I was performing for them. There's a lady called Elolo. Yeah, Elolo, she likes Nyatiti so much. Yeah, guys, keep on watching this Makamugenda. This is a Nyatiti vibe, guys, as I say. But right now I have to start with some vibes. Yeah, you know Nyatiti is an instrument from Luo community. So I'll start with the authentic one. Yeah. I'll start with the song there's a guy called Ogwanglelo. I'll give you one song of Ogwanglelo. Ogwanglelo was a legend among the Nyatiti players. So there's a time the guy was going to Nairobi. Yeah. So it's called Safari Nairobi. Ogwanglelo nyakwaro. Aya, now start it. Tinda wendo gwang tum chanda kadwa wero jagweng'wa moro jaramogi mwalo odak go malego ogwang' nena woke dala na dhi wendo robi anyiso ruodhwa moro iluongo Buleya Kang'ong'a nondiko nayo pasa dwa dhi Obomorodi tatero na ukwala kane na tundo ukwala Ogwanglelo todio marwa to eno mzungu to pisi mare Nyanza to eno mzungu kila mtu mzungu hakuna mtu mweusi Obare oloru Ogwang'ondiko pasa erochomo Bomorobi Obang'atero na ukwala katu na ukwala anwang'o dio yawa yoy Obang'egare oga Kisumo Oyo Bomorobi Ogare oloru Ogwanglelo kanena tundo na Kisumo batundo na Kisumo katundo na Kisumo anwango wodu muindi moro nabetu mochamo gireru Pierenga to dongo ya pinyi budo tanyiso na muindi nubwana ndikanayo pasado adhiyo Nairobi muindi tokona nasema nini wesema Kiswahili kia katusuayo tomanga buko na muindi akono na muindi mimi nasema natako itiko ya kuidagare ya kudia bomorobi kala singo winjo karo winjo nyingo tiko kone nyingo urobi kala singo kuwa ya pesa leta pesa yako apenjo na kala singa pesa ngapi muindi toko shilingi 12 kodi sendi 30 ogwango bukogolo obare odoro odere miyangeo la chiromoro miluongo mama ya dimi yangeo chiromoro miluongo mama imaworo bama anwango jonyos malie owendo bama jonyoso nena kakalo jonyosi kona dawa rafiki yangu karibu nyumbani mimi nanyoa wewe agalo pinyo bure karidwaru pesa yangu Tunahema. Thank you guys, keep on watching this. The song was played with a guy called Ogwanglelo. Ogwanglelo was among the legend long time ago. The guy died in 1999. Yeah, he's from there's a place called Nia. Yeah, he's a guy from Nia. Still, I'll just give you some vibes. These are traditional vibes, guys. Some authentic one. Yeah, keep on watching. It's Makamugenda. Still right here, I'm in Diani, guys. This is a Diani beach, Diani, Congo, Diani, guys. Thank you so much. Asante sana. I don't know how to appreciate your time. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying to put the mic on the nice point. You know, this is an instrument. Yeah, I think now there will be no echo. Right now, I'll be giving you, there's a guy, this guy was my best Nyatiti player, guys. This guy was a legend. The guy was called Obwanda John. Why? This guy, may your soul rest in peace, guy. He's my legend. I respect him so much. Yeah, Masai, what are you saying? Poa sana Masai. Where? There's no time. Time ndio bado. Yeah, so guys, let's just continue the session. I just want to give you one song for Obwanda John. Huko mbele kumekuaje? Sasa wewe. Hiyo inawaita. Hakuna kazi. unajua saizi watu wako, teknoloji imeongezeka. Unaona hiyo kitu? Ndobi chuo ndere tango kapodi onge kiwero mio tiapo. Olo chuo ndere tango kapodi onge kiwero mio nyango nyalo chuo. Yo! Inganyo lo jana vaya vinyo katero roe mundo. Likiwero bwana, likiwero pia tambo maodolo, upio lere, bangalwedo. Yo! Inyoli juo wondere nalo, kaponi onge kiwero minirosa. Dobwala juo wondere nalo, kaponi onge kiwero minuriambo. Ni mwana juo wondere nalo, kaponi kiwero minundoya. Doya wa juo wondere nalo, kaponi onge kiwero minudevni. Ulo yo jana mara vinyo katero mundo. Alo, ale, abo, likiwero bwana, likiwero pia sango maodolo, upio lelele, angaledo. Yo! Obwanda John. Yo lele, angaledo, bangalwedo, bangalwedo, yo, bangalwedo, bangalwedo, yawani bangalwedo, yo, bangalwedo, yo, bangalwedo, yo. Opio tumulongi gatago, kapodi onge kiwero minirosa. Tobwala tuo ondere tago, kaponi onge kiwero mino tiambo. Tobwala tuo ondere tago, kaponi onge kiwero mino tiambo. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. It's Makamugenda. That song was played with a guy called Obwanda John. Obwanda, those are legends of Nyatiti, guys. This is Nyatiti vibe. Keep on watching. It's Makamugenda right here on the beach. There's a lot of waves. Yeah, no waves sana. Yeah, waves lazima ikuwe bwana. Let's continue the vibe. Paro Josefu Dindo Dumulongo Josefu Dindo Dumulongo Josefu Dindo Dumulongo Josefu Dindo Dumulongo na Odindo Dumulongo na Odindo Mugenda ofenya yo. Mugenda ofenya yo. Yawaya wiyo janyu mako fwenya ken. Yatumu wiyo janyu mako fwenya yo. Yoy! Para now dindo mababa. Para now dindo nyaulo. Odindo josi. Yangolo mawadwa. Yangolo mayawadwa. Karo goyo tumo dindo biro puonji. Karo wero ngato dindo biro wero ni. Karo wero ngato dindo biro wero ni. Karo chogo ngato dindo biro chogo ni. Karo pako ngato dindo biro pako ni. Karo chogo ngato dindo biro chogo ni. Yeah! Karo ngato dindo biro yanyo ni. Caro zero yako dindo biro zero ni. Caro kudorero dindo biro kudo ni. Caro nego dindo biro nego ni. Nego mwanda. Caro nego mwando dindo biro nego ni. Luongo nayo dindo mababa. Luongo nayo dindo mababa. Odindo baba. Yay! Lako chunge nyol Lako chunge nyol to nyeke kone. Yeah! Lako nyolo nyaro pimo imapne. Lako nyolo nyaro pimo imapne. Lako nyolo pimo imapne. Kawiya. Lako nyolo pimo imapne. Kawiya. Let me show you the instrument. I was just forgetting to give you the instrument. Yeah, now you are seeing the instrument also. Lako chungi nyol to Lako nyolo nyaro pimo imapne. Lako nyolo nyaro pimo imapne. Lako nyolo nyaro pimo imapne. Kawiya. To chonge ka chonga. To embe ka emba. To kuje ko kuja. Ogwande ko gwanda. Kata piere ka piera. Yoy! Lako nyolo nyaro pimo imapne. Kawiya. To chonge ka chonga. To wiye kawiya. To chonge ka chonga. Lako chungi nyol to nyeke gone. Lako chungi nyol to nyeke gone. Anyango nyolo tami temrie. Itemri kiyochi. Nyolo samo tami temrie. Itemri kiyochi. Kata samo tedo to parore. Kata samo umbo to parore. Kata samo chuko to parore. Yay! Olwango yore moro mane nya jogo ko ni bu. Olwango yore moro mane nya jogo ko ni ko du. Samu joe uliare katiwo uloko no da usimo. Yay! Majo wokiae Anyango toeru Tobiko duogorumo Nyachogo lodoge Anyango toe wa. No wane mi wanu wako no. Anyango to nyuolo setamo. Yo. Iluongo nogendo manyuando gendo kwacho gendo tatu musumba kumoiri ngo. There's a day I take a beautiful lady by the name Alo. Hey. Alo yai. Aya yogendo manyuanda. I take this beautiful lady and you remember Alo. Alo decided to leave school by the time she was in class 2. Natiwa no gore book mane class ariwa nyato were go. Owacho ngini peg. Hey. Atere manadi yani. Aya yogendo manyuanda. Atere Jacaranda International Hotel. Yathumo gendo wasungu penjo gendo. No, where have you been? I tell them there's no Lego. You know people like Ogendo Manyuanda and above you are traveling. But there's no Lego. Ngeti ende ya enga namnarieka kuna sida. Kuna mguu. Yeah. Wait to see me ask me Ogendo. What can you take? Abeka kanga musumu. Asema na chapa. You can bring for me menu. You know people like Ogendo Manyuanda. We deal with menu. And later I ask Alo, what can you take? Alo kabu kureno Ogendo Manyuanda. I let me bring for you menu. Cheer to book. Yeah, Baba. Yeah. Ni dance kanungo ya kanungo. Habari zenu. Naitwa Makamugenda. Have a YouTube channel in case you'll be online. Follow, subscribe, watch. Thank you so much. Guys, keep on watching his Makamugenda. This is very special, nice evening. Yeah, the samba is also there, just leaving for the boat ride. Still late, but they're gone for the boat ride. You can see them. There's a yeah, those guys are going for the boat ride, guys. Yeah, that's the Congo River. That's the main tourist attraction here. Apart from Indian Ocean, apart from the beach. When you just arrive in Diani, forget about beach. Now there's boat ride. They use a canoe. These are traditional boats. Zile za kuchimbwa. Yeah, these are old traditional boats. Yeah, they use is under high percentage with that. The nice, yani the good thing with this kind of boat ride. Kitu mzuri sana, no accidents. I have never had anything with accident. Yeah, so that's the good thing that I can say about this boat ride, this kind of boat ride. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this Makamugenda. I don't know, I have to cross the river because still, you know, if I just want to. You know this. Tell a friend to tell a friend what we can offer. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Kati ore mana kilo 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 kilo. Kati ore mana kilo 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 kilo. Nakon belonge mara janto. Kati ore mana kilo 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 kilo. Dio movi. Adi umbobi ya wane no nyako moro kato nyingenga yo ni ya ne no nyako to nyingenga yo yeah. Keep on watching, guys. Thank you so much. It's Makamugenda. This is a very special. We call it Nyatiti vibe. This is how we do vibes, guys. So I know it. You know it. We kill the show. Yeah. There's a song I like, and you know this song. When I see, when I feel, when I play it. I say, oh, wow. Guys, this song I like it so much. Even kama upendi, sema mimi napenda. Yeah, this is a very nice song. Yeah. It's a very nice song, guys. Just keep on watching. And I have to play for you. For you, for you. He's coming very slowly. Slowly. Yeah. Come baby guy, you man, go. Come baby girl, come baby girl, yeah. Come baby girl, yeah. Come baby girl, yeah. Yeah, are you feeling hungry? Come baby girl, yeah. I tell my teacher, by the time I was in school, ningekuwa daktari ningeua watu. So right now I'm doing what I enjoy. Come baby girl, you man Rico. Yeah. Come baby girl, come baby girl, come baby girl. Ukiona msichana ambaye amebeba, unamwambia aje. Come baby girl, yeah. Akiomba fare baadaye unamwambia nini? Akitisha fare baadaye unamwambia nini? Yeah. Unamwambia my time so special, my time, yeah. My time so special, I don't wanna talk, yeah. My time so special. Hi bro, hello. My name is Makamugenda. Guys, just 1 minute. We will continue the session. I'm Makamugenda. I have a YouTube channel. Please subscribe YouTube. It's called Makamugenda. Oh, Makamugenda. Guys,
Makamugenda.
Yeah. MAKA.
Sitasahau.
Andika hiyo utasahau.
Mimi ni utaniona.
Okay.
Makamugenda.
Okay.
Nikisahau nakumbuka genda maso ya Kiganda la. Sawa, endelea.
Thank you.
Acha nisiharibu.
Come baby, makokoriko. Yeah. I see beautiful faces taking some madafu. That's a camp in coastal area. Come baby girl, come baby girl, yeah. Come baby girl, yeah. Come baby girl, yeah.
Najua ako kwenye mtandao.
Waje tu.
Kuja ujoin
Unajiona TikTok. Hii ni unaitwa nani? Yeah! Come baby girl. I have decided to sing. Yeah! I have decided to sing with. I have decided to sing to Anastasia. Yeah! What's the name of Mania? I don't know. Mashiri! Shiri, mashiri, umeoa baba. Shiri, mashiri, umefunga bao. Hapo umeshinda baba. Nasikia sura inaweza. Yeah! Anastasia more beauty without makeup. Hata na makeup. Shiri, Mashiri, my brother, umeshinda loto. Yeah, sio ndoto, umeshinda loto. Let me tell you, Mashiri, my brother, if you want to be billionaire, just deal with Anastasia. Yeah, anaweza sana. Anastasia anaweza sana. Sura naye inafanya nini? Anaweza sana. Yeah, anaweza sana. Let me tell you, my brother, my grandfather told me a long time ago, if you want to control economy, just stay with Anastasia. Yeah, yeah. Anaweza sana. I wish I see your mother, Anastasia. You know, beautiful lady like Anastasia, they look like their mother.
She's beautiful.
Yeah. Anaweza sana. And you are blessed with a handsome man, very young, energetic, hard working. Yeah. Hizo ndio quality ya mwanaume ya mwanaume, si kitambi bure yawa. Yeah. Anaweza sana. Thank you, Anastasia. Mashiri.
Thank you.
Hey, nimeimba. Kwa imeenda.
Inafaa kuja na Tamos kesho. Sawa.
Anastasia, sasa nikunywe soda gani? Soda lazima ukunywe. Okay. Hapa YouTube channel before nikunywe hiyo soda. Right now, you know, people are just watching my TikTok the same, but right now we are concentrating on YouTube. You know, it's a serious advantage, serious investment. So, you know, I think probably can go and tag the same.
Makamugenda.
Sasa, tuongee kwa ile soda. Thank you so much, guys. Keep on watching this Makamugenda. It's very nice evening. Yeah, wacha waone hata
Subscribe.
waone beach.
Waone beach ndio. I can't tell you, but you know something like
Okay, thank you so much. Guys, keep on watching this Makamugenda. This is a live recording. Yeah, back to vibe. Sincero, yeah. Yo soy un hombre sincero, yeah. De donde crecerá palma, de donde crecerá, yeah. De donde crecerá palma, yeah. Ni antes de morir me quiero echarme soy lindo, yeah. Guantanamera, Juanita Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Juanita Guantanamera, Guantanamera, Juanita Guantanamera. Are you ready to sing together? Guantanamera, yeah. Juanita Guantanamera, yeah. Guantanamera, Juanita Guantanamera. Again, Guantanamera, jump boom. Juanita Guantanamera, yeah. Guantanamera, Juanita Guantanamera, yeah. Y arriba, jump boom. Yeah, thank you guys. Keep on watching this Makamugenda. This is an evening session and this is a vibe. This is why we normally do it every day. This is a session. Hello. Hey. Just 1 minute. My name is Mark, our YouTube channel. Please follow, subscribe. It's called Makamugenda. I can also sing for you. If you don't mind, one vibe. Why are you leaving? Can I do for you one song? Are you okay? Okay guys, keep on watching. These are nonya komoro kato nyingenga nga ya wane nonya komoro kato nyingenga yeah ya wane nonya komoro kato nyingenga nga yeah Yeah, are you feeling high? It depends where you are. Got it. Yawa nyakono kulunge marajano. Yawa nyakono kulunge marajano. Kati ore mana kulo. Niyo movi. Yadi tendo. Yeah. Yadi mweto. Engelonge marajano. Engelonge marajano. Yeah. Ululu. Yawa. Gelonge marajano. Yeah. Yagalonge marajano. Agalonge marajano. Agalonge marajano. Engelonge marajano. Yawane no nyakomoro kato nyingenga adoti. Yeah. Yawane no nyakomoro kato nyingenga adoti. Yeah. Yaya no nyakomoro to nyingenga adoti. Adoti. Nyono. Adoti. Nusoga. Adoti. Yengoga. Adoti. Keloga. Yawa dakane kakikelogi. This way, that way, kakikele, ikele this way, ikele that way, ikele that way. Galonge marajano, angalonge marajano. Wow, thank you so much. Yeah, this is a vibe. Yeah, this is a vibe. Don't leave, guys. Yeah, don't leave. This is a vibe. Yeah, this is a very nice vibe. We call Nyatiti vibe. Nyatiti vibe. Ah. Okay. Yeah, I'll be giving you one traditional song and one modern song. Victoria, hey. Oh Victoria, hey. Oh let Victoria, yeah. My name, ay, my name. Gawaride, jump on. Oh Victoria, hey. Oh Victoria, hey. Oh Victoria, oh hey. Oh Victoria, hey. I gonna jump down. Oh Victoria, hey. Like Victoria, yeah. Yariba. Oh Victoria, yeah. Manamua, oh Manamua, any namua, yeah. Say no to pollution. Say no to pollution. Oh, water pollution, no, no. Yeah. Water pollution, no, no. Lake Victoria must be clean. Gotta clean. Lake Victoria must be clean. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, na, 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 na. Yeah. Say no, say no. Say no to pollution. Say no, say no. Say no to pollution. Yeah. Say no to pollution. My fellow brother. My fellow brother. Yeah, yeah. Overfishing must be stopped. Yay! Overfishing must be stopped. So small fish can grow. Yeah! We have tilapia. Yeah. Oh na na na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na. Oh na na. Oh na 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 na. Yeah! Jump on. Ani jambo, yawa jambo, yawa jambo, jambo. Yeah! Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Yeah! Hello, hello Jambo.